guys, I'm Rajnikant welcoming you to my YouTube channel Sumant Digital English Tutorial Videos. In today's video lecture, we are going to study the second part of the first chapter of English Prose 11th class, The Portrait of a Lady, penned by Khushwant Singh. So firstly, we would start the reading comprehension. My grandmother and I were good friends. My parents left me with her when they went to live in the city, and we were constantly together. She used to wake me up in the morning and get me ready for school. She said her morning prayer in a monotonous sing-song while she bathed and dressed me, in the hope that I would listen and get it to know by heart. I listened because I loved her voice, but never bothered to learn it. Then she would fetch me my wooden slate, which she had already washed and plastered with yellow chalk, a tiny earthen pot, and a red pen, tie them all in a bundle and hand it to me. After a breakfast of thick, stale chapati with a little butter and sugar spread on it, we went to school, and she carried several stale chapatis with her for the village dogs. Now English explanation. Dear guys, the grandmother of Khushwant Singh and he became good friends. Its reason was that her parents went to settle in the city and they were left together in the village. They lived constantly. The daily routine of her mother was to wake Khushwant Singh up in the morning and dressed him for school. While bathing Khushwant Singh, she used to utter her morning prayer in unchangeable chorus, in the hope that Khushwant Singh would learn the chorus by heart. Khushwant Singh listened to her chorus, but never bothered to remember it because he loved the voice of his grandmother. Then she would give him his slate, washed and plastered, an earthen pot, and a red pin, tie them all in a bundle, and she handed the bundle to Khushwant Singh. Then Khushwant Singh had his thick breakfast. The chapatis which had been made at night, he took one chapati with a little butter and sugar spread over it and had it as his breakfast. Then they went to school together, and her grandmother carried many stale chapatis for the dogs in the village. So dear guys, लेट्स सी इट्स हिंदी वर्जन। खुशवंत सिंह की दादी माँ और खुशवंत सिंह बड़े अच्छे मित्र थे। वास्तव में हुआ यूं कि उनके माता पिता शहर में रहने के लिए चले गए और उन दोनों को गांव में छोड़ दिए और वे लोग साथ साथ गांव में रहे। इस वजह से वे दोनों बड़े अच्छे दोस्त बन गए। खुशवंत सिंह की दादी माँ रोज सवेरे उसे उठाती थी और पाठशाला के लिए तैयार करती थी। सवेरे की प्रेयर वो अपरिवर्तनीय ढंग से उसे नहलाते हुए गाती रहती थी, इस प्रत्याशा से कि वो उसे हृदयस्थ करेगा, हृदय से सीखेगा। खुशवंत सिंह उस प्रार्थना को सुनते तो थे, लेकिन उन्होंने कभी उसे याद नहीं करना चाहा। इसका कारण था कि खुशवंत सिंह को अपने दादी माँ की आवाज तो बड़ी पसंद थी, लेकिन उन्होंने उस प्रेयर को कभी याद करने का कष्ट नहीं उठाया। तो स्नान कराने के बाद वो खुशवंत सिंह की काठ की पट्टी, मिट्टी की बनी दावत और एक लाल कलम को एक बंडल में बांधकर उसे पकड़ाती थी। फिर उसे बासी रोटी का नाश्ता देती थी। बासी रोटी पर मक्खन लगाकर और उसके ऊपर चीनी फैला करके उसे खाने के लिए देती थी और फिर दोनों लोग साथ साथ स्कूल जाते थे। खुशवंत सिंह की दादी माँ ढेर सारी बासी रोटियां गांव के कुत्तों को खिलाने के लिए भी लेकर के जाया करती थी। तो आई होप यू मस्ट हैव लाइक्ड इट। बाय।
1, 2, 3